Hey CGA world, it's Matt Fredericks here, and today we're going to do some CGA math, and I'm going to teach you how we figure out the event champions and then the overall divisional champions. And hopefully when I'm done, it's going to be as clear as that water trough over there. Well, for example, what I'm going to be using A-horse barrels as my example. We got two riders. We got Betty Lou on Freight Train, and we got Susie Joe on Donald Buck. So we take her top three A times. She could have more than that, but the computer will recognize the top three. Her top three are 22.988, 23.164, 23.296. We're going to figure out the average. What's the average? We add those three times together, divide by 3. That's the average. So the average for Betty Lou is 23.149. Same thing over here on Susie Joe. We're going to figure out her average. Her average would be 23.181. So Betty Lou has the faster average. But CGA actually goes off the thing called the target time. So the target time is the difference between this number, which is 22.850. What is that? That is your fastest A barrel time you can get before you jump into the double A barrel time. So the target time is the difference. For Betty Lou, the difference would be 0.299 seconds. For Susie Joe, it's 0.331 seconds. So, once again, Betty Lou has a faster average, therefore she has the lower target time. She is your overall champion, and Susie Joe would be your runner-up for your A-horse barrels. How do we figure out the overall divisional champion? Well, we got to figure out the target time in 12 out of the 13 events. You must have 3 rides in 12 out of the 13 events. Why 12 out of 13? Because that's what we do for the ROC Hall of Fame. They must have 3 AAA plus times to achieve their Hall of Fame dreams. So because of that, we trickle it down to all the divisions. But what if Betty Lou has 3 times in 13 events? Well, the computer will automatically delete whatever target time she has is the biggest. Whether that's hurry-scurry, figure 8 flags, keel, whatever it might be, the computer will automatically kick out the biggest number. What if Betty Lou has 3 rides in 11 out of 13 events? She does not qualify and will not participate, be able to be an overall division champion. You must have 12 of the 13 events. 3 rides in 12 of the 13 events. Then we take all those numbers, those 12 numbers, those 12 target times, we add them together. The rider with the lowest number will be the overall divisional champion. And that's how we figure out our division champions. I'm Matt Fredericks. Thank you, and see you next time.